Hi everybody, welcome again to another share on my channel. This is Riley here and stay tuned for this interesting piece. Okay, so today I'll be sharing about the difference between, let's say, pipe water and well water being used within your aquarium space. Okay, so I am a fish keeper that normally use pipe water. Yes, pipe water that is placed, and I did a video on that some months ago where I talk about how I actually get my water to be aquarium safe. All right, so I'll put a link to that video below so you can actually look at it and you can actually assess for yourself whether or not that will actually work for you. Okay, so I live in Jamaica in the parish of Clarendon. That is, Jamaica is 70% limestone. All right, what you're looking at right now is underground spring that comes up and it forms a little pool, a little pond-like area. Persons go there and actually have a bath, and this is where several persons actually learn to swim and stuff. I have done several videos on this particular area, which I showed you just lately. I showed you crabs and I show you goby fish, and I also show you some schooling fish. I think it's tetra, right? Okay, now what happened with this water? This water is referred to as salt water. Right, well, the river is salt river, right? And the significant thing about this river is that the water itself tastes very salty. And the reason why this water tastes very salty is because it is heavily laden with minerals. Minerals that comes from minerals that actually as a result of hydrolysis, water actually going into the rock molecules, having the molecules explode with the minerals, and the minerals actually dissolve within the water, having this this salty taste. Now, if you should use this water within your aquarium, chances are some fish might love it, some fish might not, right? The difference between well water, at least where I am at, not necessarily where you are at. Probably where you are at, the situation is totally different. But where I'm at, if I supposed to use well water, that means all the impurities and all the minerals that probably might exist within the well water, it is not really managed. That makes it 100% proper for the fish. The difference with the pipe water is that pipe water goes through a process. I think it's 7 process, right? It goes through 7 process that actually purifies the water. So what I do, I actually have the water there sit for a while, which actually encourages the chlorine to evaporate, right? Some persons use I call it water conditioner, stress coat, add it to the water, and that make it fish safe within a few minutes. I don't do that. I just allow the water to sit there, and I prefer to use pipe water within my aquariums. Pipe water, of course, that is fish safe, right? Rather than dig a hole for a well, because the well water will hold a lot of minerals in it, and some fish just cannot tolerate the high volume of minerals that exist within well water. So if you're considering using well water for your aquarium, you should first consider how you're going to be treating the water. Will you be filtering the water coming from the well? Will you be adding additives to the water so as to ensure that the mineral level is kept to a particular degree? These are some of the questions that you should ask when considering whether or not you're going to actually use well water, or should I say river water, or natural water within your aquarium space. I prefer to use pipe water because pipe water, as I said before, it has gone through a process where the minerals have actually been minimized. The amount of minerals in the water is actually minimized. Not saying that it's totally gone, but it's minimized. So therefore, my fish, if my fish prefer a high mineral type of water, I'd add salt to it. If not, the water will stay just as it should stay for them to actually survive. This is Riley here for another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. I hope that this video was kind of explaining the reason why although I am living in a country where there's a lot of river water and there's a lot of opportunity to build wells, I'm not using well water for my aquariums and my ponds. Catch you next time for another interesting and insightful video. Peace out, stay safe, and remember, this thing about mental illness, it affects everyone, right? So help those who you can, and remember, stay safe, and catch you next time. Catch me in Saturday night, 8 to 9 for my live stream. Peace out.